arrived at a house explosion yesterday in Taunton. Investigators say a natural gas leak is to blame.
It left a mother and child badly burned. NBC 10's Maddie Himps back on the scene today with a follow-up from neighbors. Maddie?
Well, Gene and Patrice, neighbors tell me it's a tight-knit community here on Plain Street, and we saw it in action yesterday, neighbors jumping in to help rescue victims from that fire. And today they tell us that the recovery efforts will be just as much of a community effort.
They're an amazing, beautiful family.
Jacinda Jones lives next door to Lucetta Blanc, but calls the 25-year-old victim a close friend.
It's very tragic and unfortunate for them. No one deserves to go through it, but definitely not them, especially with their small daughter.
She couldn't tell us the status of the family. Blanc and her 2-year-old daughter still in the hospital, but was able to speak to the woman's boyfriend today.
I felt a lot better. I just won't feel better till I see them and I know they're okay.
Samantha Sullivan Hale also lives in the house next door.
This was our first property. We raised our family there, and it's awful to see it come down in flames.
Her home badly damaged in the fire, but when asked about next steps,
salvage anything we can get and just start to make sure our friend is okay.
She says between GoFundMes and Red Cross assistance, support has poured out, but help from her neighbors has meant the most.
We were all close. We were really close with the neighbors. Like, our kids grew up together. We always hung out. You know, cookouts, we have a fire pit, bonfires. We were really, really close. So just making sure we stick together and that we show community for one another.
We learned today investigators believe it was a natural gas leak that caused the explosion. That's from a preliminary investigation. The exact location of that leak still to be determined. Live in Taunton, Maddie Himps, NBC 10 News.